Now today let's start with chapter number 15, great people. We have so many great people in our country, those who have helped our country for getting freedom. We have Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Guru Tegh Bahadur and Kabir Das. So first is Mahatma Gandhi, who is known as Bapuji, and his name is Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi. And when he was born on 2nd October 1869. और कहाँ born हुए थे? पोरबंदर, गुजरात. And when he was young, he worked hard. As he grew up, he studied and went to England to study law. And after he became a lawyer and he returned to India, later he became a leader of Common India and he guided country to become free from the British rule. कि कैसे हम कंट्री को ब्रिटिश रूल से बाहर निकालेंगे. सो महात्मा गांधी वॉज अ सिंपल मैन, ही लिव्ड अ सिंपल लाइफ. वो एक बहुत सिंपल मैन थे, वो सिंपल लाइफ जीते थे, वोर सिंपल क्लोथ्स, सिंपल फूड एंड ही मूव टू द पाथ ऑफ हॉनेस्टी, मतलब सच्चाई पे. ही वॉज वंडरफुल पर्सन, we all love him and respect him. He is remembered every year on his birthday. We celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti, और हम इनके बर्थडे को as a Gandhi Jayanti celebrate. Then we have Bhagat Singh. He was well-known freedom fighter. We can say that he was born on September 1907 to a Sikh family in Punjab. Bhagat Singh was socialist revolutionary who sacrificed his life in India's struggle for independence. His family, elders were freedom fighters, and seeing them, he was inspired to join the movement. In इस चीज़ को देख के, he was very much inspired to join the movement. Bhagat Singh strongly endorsed the Swadeshi movement, and that was started by Mahatma Gandhi. He was also inspired by Lala Lajpat Rai ideology. जो Lala Lajpat Rai की ideology थी, उससे भी inspired थे and joined revolutionary form armed rebellion against the British. He was an inspiration for several youth who followed in his footsteps in the independence struggle. Then, he is the biggest attacks on the British were Kakuri conspiracy and bombing of the Central Legislative Assembly. He was arrested for this, but even in jail, he continued to rebel against the system to fight for his rights by going on the hunter's strike. Now, Guru Tegh Bahadur. Let's study about Guru Tegh Bahadur. He was the 9th Sikh Guru who was born in 1621. And where? In Amritsar. He was also known for his selfless service, humility and dedication to the Sikh faith. So Guru Tegh Bahadur was a spiritual leader who preached the message of equality, compassion and justice for all. So he traveled extensively, and what he did, he spread the teaching of Sikhism and helped them in need. Guru Tegh Bahadur is also known for his martyrdom, and he was executed by a Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 1675. और इन्होंने क्या करा, रिफ्यूज करा टू कन्वर्ट टू इस्लाम, कि मैं इस्लाम में कन्वर्ट नहीं होने का. His sacrifice remembered as a symbol of religious freedom and tolerance, and Guru Tegh Bahadur's teachings and writings were compiled in the, कहाँ compiled थी? गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब में. ये holy book है. It was a holy book, right? Next, Guru Tegh Bahadur legacy continued to inspire millions of Sikhs around the world to uphold the value of peace, love, service. He is revered as a saint and a martyr who gave his life. जिन्होंने अपनी life दे दी for the protection of religious freedom and human right. Then we have Kabir Das, a spiritual leader. देखो जो आपके संत कबीर दास है, he one of the great poet है. He was also refers to as spiritual leaders. He believed that he was raised by Jolhas couple. His mother name was Nima and his father name was Neeru. He was about in the century 50. He said that Sant Kabir Das brought Renaissance in spiritual development. ये Renaissance लेके आए थे with the spiritual development. Right? The word Kabir जो है, the word Kabir, it is referred to as Bhakti movement development. Sant Kabir Das is the most respected saint in India. And he is not only respected by Hindu, but also Islam and Sikhism. The word Kabir came from Islamic word and it means great. He spent some of his early year in Muslims family, and he was highly inspired by this teacher's name, Saint Ramadan. Right? This was all the great leaders that I have told you. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.